Hi friends. Welcome to Trust Purchasing. Smartphone holder, aluminum ball mount, reinforced resin catch, and nuts provide extreme precision, and maintain a stable posture even when bike or bicycle vibrations. You can adjust the angle freely as you like. This is reinforced resin mirror mount. Wireless charging. An unbeatable supply for navigation and other applications. This is a quick hold and release mechanism. Just place your smartphone on and hold it instantly. Just squeeze the release handle on both sides. You can attach and remove your smartphone using one hand. This is an aftermarket smart lock that does not require any construction, and is easy to remove the adhesive tape, and complete installation and removal. You can unlock the door by saying, "Alexa, opening the key." Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, Siri, and IFT. When unlocking the door with Alexa or Google Home, a registered password is required to prevent suspicious people from entering when they are absent. Requires SwitchBot Hub Mini. SwitchBot series products to make your home more secure and smart automatically. Turns on the cleaner, TV, air conditioner, or lighting the moment you unlock it when you get home. Requires SwitchBot Hub Mini. You can unlock it with just the operation of the app. No need to take out your keys frequently. Besides the app, it can be unlocked by widgets, Apple Watch, SwitchBot NFC tags, and even voice. Also compatible with physical keys. Use with SwitchBot Hub Mini to unlock the door from the go. If your family has forgotten keys, or friends come to the house to travels of checking is required to avoid misoperation during remote control. SwitchBot Lock can detect the condition of your door. You can view the records of your keys, open and close in the app. In use with SwitchBot Hub Mini, when the door is open, you will receive notifications to your phone. When the remaining battery is less than 20%, push notifications every 12 hours, red light will light up when unlocked, and beep to encourage battery replacement. Comes with 3 thumb turn adapters, and adjustable base adapter to fit a variety of doors. Can be automatically locked within the specified time. Never worry about forgetting to close your keys when you go out. Waterproof solar sensor security light, very easy to install. No wiring required. It can be installed safely on outdoor. Choose a sunny place that is exposed to direct sunlight for as long as possible. The light illumination angle can be adjusted, up to 90 degrees, and the solar panel can be moved 120 degrees up and down, and the 180-degree rotation screw can be adjusted 360 degrees. Light with the solar panel that charges the built-in battery when it gets sunshine during the day. After sunset, the LED will light up using the storage battery. This light is waterproof, heat-resistant, and durable. Built to withstand the toughest weather. PIR motion sensor, and night sensor. Red light will stay on at dusk, when no people are detected. The maximum illumination range is 10 meters. The circuit board of the solar light has an IC protection module to prevent overcharging, over-discharge, and explosion. Stainless steel filters and filtration systems are denser than regular filters. Washes 1,000 times per stainless steel filter. Small crevice brush can be applied to soft and uneven areas such as suede parts, rugs, air vents etc. Flat and long nozzle cleans deep into the gap. It can absorb more fine dust. It can be used to suck debris in various places, such as pet hair, living room house dust, vehicle, computer keyboards. You can clean it comfortably and efficiently. The front camera of this drive recorder uses an excellent optical lens, with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture, and is equipped with a sensor that supports Sony Starvis technology, allowing you to record high resolution regardless of day or night. The front and rear cameras are equipped with WDR, HDR, for excellent video processing capabilities. This dash cam is built in GPS, so it can record your car trajectory, real-time speed, position, and it has been greatly enhanced in the event of an emergency. You can use the dedicated app with your smartphone. You can control the functions of video, photo, etc., and you can intuitively view recorded videos, playback, store, delete records, and more. You can also download and edit videos using the app, and share the scenery and wonderful moments with your friends. High-quality image quality with Sony 4K UHD, and 8 million pixels. Equipped with 2 front and rear cameras for simultaneous recording of front and back. Parking monitoring function, and when used with a dedicated cable, you can operate 24 hours of parking surveillance. LED signal protection and terrestrial digital TV noise protection. Full of features such as constant recording, impact recording, loop recording, long-time driving alert, voice recording, G-sensor. Allowing you to capture clear images with reduced. Even when there is a difference in light and dark such as at night, rain, snow, etc. you can enjoy beautiful videos. The adhesive tape is attached to the back of light, so you don't have to worry about the installation location. This car charger type does not have complicated wiring at all. Easy to install by amateurs. 16,000 different colors can be adjusted to your preference. Just set it under the foot of your car to heat up the atmosphere. You can easily operate it with the remote control, smartphone or controller to change the color, illumination, and lighting modes. In addition, the voice sensor detects music and human voice, and the color can be changed automatically, according to the sound. Create an impressive space with a wide variety of variations. This product uses an RF remote control, so you can operate the remote control without having to point it to the main unit. Even if there is an obstacle, the reception sensitivity is greatly increased, so you can operate it from a distance. The LED lights are made of silicone material, and are IP65 waterproof, so you can rest assured that they come in contact with water. Great for use as a footlight for the driver's seat, passenger seat, and back seats. Try this for an amazing look. Thank you for watching. Check the link. Subscribe, share, like and comment below.